Hello, you are here that image for editing. So let's edit these kind of images in a way we will make only select that part. Here is the ripple. We can change the amount of the ripple we have made and then use the liquefaction option to liquefy that part we have made it, and further filter we will use the trace counter upper as well. There we will make the further designs and made a selection there. We will fill up the paint bucket. So then apply the gradient with that.